Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Beautiful but cold winter morning. Just drank a bunch of coffee this morning and came out to get a good workout in before I go home and shower and shave. So it's a perfect way to start the day. I did some walking and running earlier, and I did some calisthenics, a lot of pull-ups and dips and some variations of those. And then I took a drive, pulled into an empty parking lot here with some beautiful mountains surrounding, so the air is quite clean. And now I'm doing a jump rope workout, and then I'm going to make a tutorial on a boxer skip jump rope move. And the reason I'm making this particular tutorial today is because I recently received an email in my inbox asking me about a jump rope move that they saw in a Rocky Balboa parody video that I made a while back. So I'm going to break that down here in this video. First, I'll show you what this boxer's jump rope move looks like from a side view, and then I'll break it down. Can you see what I'm doing? Notice how many hops I'm doing on each leg. So if you said or you noticed that I was doing 3 hops on one leg at a time, you are correct. Okay, so let's see what this move looks like without a rope. Imagine I'm doing some boxer skips or some 2-foot hops. I'll go into a hop with my left leg, and as I do that, watch what I do with my right leg. One hop, 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 one hop. So the first time you jump over the rope with one leg, you bring the opposite leg to the rear. The next time you hop over the rope, you bring the rear leg to the front. The next time you hop over the rope, you just keep that front leg there. So that would look like this. Hop, hop, hop. Then change. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. So that is the move. You're doing 3 hops on each leg, and you're doing it in an alternating fashion. Okay, so let's see what this jump rope move looks like again with the rope, and I'll perform it from this side. As you get good at it, maybe you might want to perform additional hops with the leg in the front. So for example, I hop over the rope with my left leg. Hop, 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 change. Hop. And then you can add some hops. But back to the basic one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So there you are, another boxer's jump rope move for 2020. I hope everyone's year has gotten off to a great start, and I'm really looking forward to this month and beyond. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.